Hello everyone, it's Julia, your friendly neighborhood travel vlogger, and I'm here today at this beautiful beach. The sun is shining, the water is crystal clear, and the sand is soft and warm beneath my feet. This is truly paradise. As I look around, I can see families playing in the water, couples lounging on beach towels, and people of all ages enjoying the beauty of this place. It's such a joy to see everyone having a good time and making memories. One interesting thing about this beach is that it's a popular nesting spot for sea turtles. These amazing creatures come here every year to lay their eggs, and it's truly a sight to see. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these turtles and their nests, so it's important to be respectful of their space while enjoying the beach. Overall, this is an incredible spot for anyone looking for a relaxing day at the beach. The scenery is breathtaking, the people are friendly, and there's so much to see and do. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time. Hello everyone, it's Julia, your travel vlogger, and I am here at one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. As I walk along the shoreline, I am struck by the crystal clear waters and powdery white sand that stretches as far as the eye can see. The gentle breeze and warm sun on my skin make me feel alive and at peace. One interesting fact about this beach is that it is a popular nesting site for sea turtles. In fact, every year, from November to March, thousands of baby sea turtles hatch from their nests and make their way to the ocean. It's an incredible sight to witness, and the local conservation efforts to protect these turtles are truly inspiring. But let's not forget about the stunning scenery around us. The turquoise waters shimmer in the sunlight, and the sound of waves crashing against the shore is truly mesmerizing. It's no wonder why this beach is a favorite destination for travelers from all around the world.